think I should put some seeds down there and see if he'd try and eat them?
I don't know if he would or not.
I can go get a couple from him.
Oh,
Well,
no.
no, I better not. Max might get loose. I don't want to take a chance on him running out here.
Is that your family?
Hi, babes. Oh, look at the bird feeders.
Wow.
Yeah.
All of them are there.
Yeah, that's what they've been doing.
That's that whole family.
Yeah. Right after it happened, there was one just like him in the bird feeder, but it flew away. So they were probably together, but I haven't seen it since. Look at them, there's tons of them. Oh no, another one just did it.
Really?